Hi you all. I hope you all are doing well. As most of us we know that our constitution gives us the various fundamental rights and we can enjoy it freely, right? But the needs of the people have changed with the passing time. And if we look into the present scenario, can we survive without the internet? No? Yes. You are right. It is impossible to survive without the internet in present scenario, and no development is possible without the digitalization. So, after observing this scenario in 2016, United Nations Human Rights Council said that right to internet should be made a fundamental right under the Article 19(1)(a). You know, till date there are total 400 internet shutdowns in our country, and the longest was from the 4th August 2019 to 3rd March to 4th March 2020, which was of total 213 days and was imposed in Jammu and Kashmir due to Article 370. So let's discuss our case on that. Anuradha Bhasin versus Union of India. This case was filed on 10th January 2020. In this case, it was said that restricting physical movement along with the online communication restriction violates the Article 19 and right to internet is included in the Article 19(1)(a). So in this case, Supreme Court said that due to immediate threat or security concern, a temporary ban on the service is permissible, but the ban on internet for the indefinite time is not acceptable. The judgment has came and the 2G network has allowed in the Jammu and Kashmir. After that, another case was filed in the Supreme Court, that was Foundation of Media Professionals versus Union of India. This case is popularly known as the 4G case. In this case, ban on 3G and 4G networks in Jammu and Kashmir was challenged and said that the ban on internet service violates our other rights also, like right to education, right to health, right to profession, etc. In this case, Supreme Court, after hearing, set up the committee to look into the matter, and after much discussion, Center after the 15th August decided to resume the 4G services in the limited areas of Jammu and Kashmir. Just like we cannot survive without the internet, a good sleep is also essential for the human being to maintain the delicate balance of the health which is necessary for the survival. Lack of sleep creates a lack of concentration and reduces the efficiency. For the first time in history, the right to sleep as a fundamental right was discussed in the landmark case of Ramlila Maidan incident versus the Home Secretary Union of India. And in this case, the apex court propounded that if a person is deprived of sleep, the effect therefore is treated to be as a torture. Also, in case of Syed Masood Ali versus State of MP, Justice Deepak Mishra observed that every citizen is entitled under Article 21 of the Constitution to live a decent environment and has the right to sleep peacefully at night. Hope the knowledge I have shared with you will help you a lot. Thank you and stay tuned for the more videos.